Do you want solve the problem Plum on Destiny 2? Okay, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, the first fix is you log out to the account of Destiny 2 and log out. Okay, and the fix 2, okay, you go to your Windows and in the search you search the updates. Okay, okay, and here you install, okay, the updates. The fix 3, you go to the Epic Games or Steam. Okay, the Destiny 2 it's in Steam. Okay, we are going to Steam and you go to the library. Okay, and here you go to the all games, and here you go to the Destiny 2. Okay, for example, Stumble Guys, and you go to the manage and properties. Here you go to the installed files and verify integrity of game files. Okay, you verifying, okay, the files of game. The fix, the door fix, okay, you go to the Steam, okay, here, and go to the settings, and here in settings you go to the downloads and go to the clear download cache. Okay, you clear cache here. Okay, and the other fix, you here you uninstall the game and install. Okay, and you solve this problem with this fix. Okay, bye bye.